Every piece of this wall behind me tells a story. The sweat, the sacrifice, the moments I thought defined me forever. But when the game ended, I had to face reality. My purpose couldn't just live in the past. I had to find something bigger, something beyond these jerseys on the wall. Today, I'm sharing how I found my purpose beyond sports and how you can too. The first step I took was accepting that sports was just a chapter, not the whole book. When the game ended, I held on so tight, I forgot that life was still moving forward. The truth is, sports is a powerful chapter of your life, but it's not the whole book. Once I accepted that, I stopped feeling like my story was over and started realizing a new chapter was just beginning. The second step I took was rebuilding my confidence with new skills and passions. For years, my confidence came on how I performed on the field. But once that was gone, I had to find new ways to build myself back up. For me, that looked like picking up a new skill, like sales, coaching, and even pushing myself back in the fitness realm again. That confidence, that confidence didn't come back overnight, but little wins started stacking up. And the third step, I was creating a vision for life beyond sports. Once I found my confidence again, I just needed direction. I had to ask myself, am I going to keep replaying old highlights or start writing new ones? That shift meant focusing on how I wanted my life to feel, the impact I wanted to make, and the kind of future that excited me. For me, the vision became launching D1 Expectation, helping athletes and professionals win beyond the game. Creating that vision gave me purpose again, and purpose gave me energy to keep moving forward. If you're ready to find your purpose after sports, you're not alone. Drop your story in the comments, hit the subscribe button, and also visit my website at d1expectation.com so I can create a personalized plan for you so you can win beyond the game as well.